Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to verify your AliExpress account. Verifying your account is an important for secure transaction and smooth shopping experiences. Now let's get started. First of all, open your AliExpress app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Here on your dashboard or main screen, you can see an account on the bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will open your account. Now tap on your profile. Here you can see all your information, your name, email, address, followers and post. Now tap on edit and this will open your account information. Now tap on account information. Here my email address is unverified. To verify it, tap on it. Then you will be prompted to confirm your email address. Tap on confirm now. Now go to your email, open this and tap on confirm email address. And congratulations, your email has been verified. Now let's head back to the AliExpress app. Let's go back. Refresh it, and that's it. Verifying your AliExpress account is simple and ensures safe shopping and transaction. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next one.